Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2012 Nissan Murano, and we will be replacing this transmission oil filter slash cooler. Let's get to it. Alright, we'll start with removing the driver's side wheel. We have vehicle on a stand, on jack stand. It's 21mm socket. I'm using electrical impact. Fantastic tool to have. All the parts and tools in the description to the video. Let's check those out. Alright, so next we will remove those few clips. It just seems to be breaking. This one broke too, and we will remove this cover because the filter is just behind it. As simple as that. So here is our filter, just over there. So two clamps and then two 10mm, three 10mm bolts. Okay, so I guess first I will get those hoses transferred, and I assume there might be some oil coming from them. So for now we'll just push the clamps slightly back. It's always fun to work with those. It's that type of clamps, so just push them back a bit. We'll do the same for the top one. Alright, so next we'll grab the hose and just spin it a bit, just to break the seal. You can see oil started to come out. We'll do the same here. Just make sure that we break that seal. I'm not sure if I already broke it or not. We'll put the oil tray underneath, just in case there's some oil, and most likely there will be some oil coming out from those hoses. So we'll get the new filter ready. We changed the oil not that long ago. Okay, nothing is coming terribly. So we'll just get this plugged for now. We'll try to get the other hose off. It started to come out. So at this point, I'll probably go ahead and remove the bolts from the mounting brackets. And that's not 10. It's actually 12mm. That one out. And then those two. 1 and 2. So in the other video we changed the fluid and replaced internal filter. Now this one is left. This one get Alright. Next. And watch where you put the old filter. I just make a huge mess on the floor. So reuse old bolts. So they're in a nice shape actually. Get started the other one. And one behind. That one is pain to get in. Just really inconvenient spot. Alright. I'll just get them snug. Now we will move those hose clamps back. Alright, next we will install the cover. All those plastic clips that I was using, I was removing, actually broke, so I need to replace them. And check my Amazon store. There are references to those kits. They're quite affordable, not as good as the EOM parts, but also the price is a fraction. Alright, before we put the wheel on, we will take some anti-seize and put it just around the spindle. This is aluminum rims. When they oxidize against metal, they can get really stuck. So it's a good idea to have some anti-seize applied for the future easiness of removal. Next we'll get those lug nuts started, and they're really small and tiny. Almost need a socket to get them started. We'll get them snug with the impact. We want to do crisscross pattern. Next we'll torque the wheel to 80 foot-pounds. And we still want to go in crisscross pattern. Now we have the vehicle started. We will shift all the gears, we'll put it in park and keep it idling. Alright, next we will check the level. There is the dipstick. So the trick to get the dipstick out, you go just along this plate, push the plastic piece in. Not sure if you can see anything, you pull it out. So basically, I'll show it here. So that metal piece is sitting like that, and you just want to go down and push this back, pull it out. Now we'll just clean the dipstick and we'll check the level. For this, once again, engine idling, transmission hot. Transmission should be somewhere at around 80 degrees Celsius. So here, as you can see, the range. Power is not hot yet, so we will make sure that level is good, or at least close. So we can see it's just over here, which is a little bit too high, to be honest, but in a manageable range. So at this point, we will make sure that we install the dipstick in the right position, make sure that it's not coming off. And that should be it for the oil change, or sorry, filter change on a transmission, auxiliary filter. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Please check links in the description to the video, and as always, just do it yourself.